We've already covered the basics of tube light painting in previous videos, but this one is specific to shooting with the Milky Way. Here are 3 key points that will totally improve your images in that category. Scout during daylight and choose a few framing options. The night AR mode in PhotoPills is very helpful for that. Once you're in the dark, take a quick test shot. 1 second exposure at a ridiculously high ISO. It'll look ugly, but it's perfect to quickly check your framing. You'll usually get a better balance when the model faces towards the side of the frame where the Milky Way appears. Yes, you can do it in a single exposure. Use an 8-second shutter speed, a sweet spot long enough to capture the stars while keeping your subject sharp. Start the exposure, create your light painting shape within 1 or 2 seconds using a very dim flashlight, then turn off the light and wait while hiding behind the model. The model must stay perfectly still for the entire exposure. Which tube color to choose? Because we typically shoot with a cooler white balance under the night sky, you want a tube color that's slightly warmer to compensate for the colder white balance value. If you use a white tube, it'll look bluish, including on the model's skin. Our current go-tos to get a natural look are Pinkish and Warmish. For a different effect and a bit more light on the model, try a black tube with a small Warmish or small rose bronze tube on top. That's a good start to head out and play under the stars.
Chips? Tu veux des chips?
Oui.
Ouais, mais je vais faire à manger. Framboise.
Des chips aux framboises.
Des chips aux framboises.